Today I'm going to practice some stuff that I'm not very good at, and that's elephant turns and wheeling on dirt. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, I'm doing something wrong here. There we go. Wait, let's let out some air. So, let's air out the rear a little bit, like that. Well, so it's a little bit, but so again, the landowner said this was okay. Okay, let's try this shit again. Oh, a little bit, a little bit, a little bit. Oh my god. Just not getting it up. Shit, we'll see. Hang on. Maybe one is too low a gear. Okay. Hey! First one. Oh, this shit's tiring. Shouldn't be this tiring, but it is. Let's keep going. Let's try it in the grass a little bit. He said that was okay. Oh, wait, too much. Wait, I'm giving it too much gas. I think that's the problem. Just giving it too much of that English. Okay, let's try it again. Go over here. Okay, yeah, that got it up a little bit. Less gas. Oh shit. Hand is fatiguing. With all this gear, it gets a bit warm. Okay. Let's turn around. Let's keep going. We're gonna take a break in a second. Too much. Wait, let's try second gear. No, cool of them. So we're gonna ditch some of our stuff here, because I have a lot of gear on. Too much. Oh. Uh-oh. Okay, let's go again. Fuck. Oh shit. Fuck. God damn it. Got one, got 3 good ones. That's nothing here. I noticed that my biggest obstacle in practicing this is constantly is the clutch. Constantly holding it in is tiring my hand. So I'm wondering if a one-finger clutch system would be better. Let's practice some elephant turns, okay? Oops. Nope. This direction. Poor Tobin. He's regretting that shit now. Nah, he said he's gonna... The landowner said he's gonna... Once he decides what to do with this, all of this is gonna be processed somehow. So whatever I do here is gonna be gone in 2 years. There we go, there's a good one. Another 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 good one. Okay. I mean, I feel like I'm pretty good at this stuff. What time is it? Okay. Okay, my left hand really hurts now. Well, the fingers do. I need more practice in just, you know, holding the clutch and releasing it. And I get my oh shit. It's time at the gym. Oh, I'm getting tired. Okay, one last try here. Oh, too much. Fuck. Okay, I'm gonna have to do that another day. Okay, let's pick up our shit and go ride something else.
Fuck. Just run as normal with a goddamn prize.